Good morning, all of you. My name is Shadia, and today I'm here to give the test. I went to market yesterday.
Hold a second.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
I went to market yesterday. I didn't go to market yesterday. Did I go to market yesterday? Did I not go to market yesterday? My brother was riding bike last night. My brother was not riding bike last night. Was my brother riding bike last night? Was my brother not riding bike last night? My mother will go to Delhi tomorrow. My mother will not go to Delhi tomorrow. Will my mother go to Delhi tomorrow? Will my mother not go to Delhi tomorrow? She will be mopping the floor tomorrow. She will not be mopping the floor tomorrow. Will she be mopping the floor tomorrow? Will she not be mopping the floor tomorrow? He played cricket last night. He did not play cricket last night. Did he play cricket last night? Did he not play cricket last night? My teacher was teaching English yesterday. My teacher was not teaching English yesterday. Was my teacher teaching English yesterday? Was my teacher not teaching English yesterday? She will go to Mumbai tomorrow. She will not go to Mumbai tomorrow. Will she go to Mumbai tomorrow? Will she not go to Mumbai tomorrow? I will be going to market tomorrow. I will not be going to market tomorrow. Will I be going to market tomorrow? Will I not be going to market tomorrow? My brother ridden bike. My brother did not ride bike. Did my brother ride bike? Did my brother not ride bike? She was mopping the floor last night. She was not mopping the floor last night. Was she mopping the floor last night? Was she not mopping the floor last night? He will be go to Canada next year. He will be not. He will go to Canada next year. He will not go to Canada next year. Will he go to Canada next year?
Will he go to Canada?
He will go to Canada next year. He will not go to Canada next year. Will he go to Canada next year? Will he not go to Canada next year? My father will be going to work tomorrow. My father will not going to work tomorrow. Will my father be going to work tomorrow? Will my father not be going to work tomorrow? My teacher taught us English. Last year. My teacher didn't teach us English last year. Did my teacher teach us English last year? Did my teacher not teach us English last year? My mother was cooking food. My mother was not cooking food.
Where is the time?
My mother was cooking food last week. My mother was not cooking food last week. Was my mother cooking food last week? Was my mother not cooking food last week? Shreya will go to school tomorrow. Shreya will not go to school tomorrow. Will Shreya go to school tomorrow? Will Shreya not go to school?
तुम क्यों मांग रहे हो?
I don't have money. Why are you asking for?
मेरे पापा घर पर नहीं है. तुम कल आना.
My father is not at home.
मेरी मम्मी ने खाना बना लिया है पर मैं खा नहीं रही हूँ.
My mother has cooked food but I am not eating.
कल मैं घर पर थी. तुम क्यों नहीं आए थे?
Yesterday I was at home. Why you didn't come?
यह मेरा क्लास है. मैं यहाँ इंग्लिश सीखती हूँ.
This is my class. I learn English here.
वे लोग मेरे दोस्त हैं पर इंग्लिश नहीं सीखते.
They are my friends, but they are not learn English.
They are not learning.
They do not learn English.
Okay, wonderful. Next.
Hello everyone, this is Ikra here. Now I am going to give the test.
Your time starts now.
I am a girl, I am not a girl. Am I a girl, am I not a girl? She was dusky last year, she was not a dusky last year. Was she a dusky last year, was she not a dusky last year? They have been a doctor for 10 years, they have not been a doctor for 10 years. Have they been a doctor for 10 years, have they not been a doctor for 10 years? This is car, this is not car. Is this car, is this not car? Afrin was cute last year, Afrin was not cute last year. Was Afrin cute last year, was Afrin not cute last year? Ronak has been a student for 10 years, Ronak has not been a student for 10 years. Has Ronak been a student for 10 years, has Ronak not been a student for 10 years? That is a table, that is not table. Is that a table, is that not a table? Alia was chef last year, Alia was not chef last year. Was Alia chef last year, was Alia not chef last year? They have been a teacher for 10 years, they have not been a teacher for 10 years. Have they been a teacher for 10 years, have they not been a teacher for 10 years? He is my teacher, he is not my teacher. Is he my teacher, is he not my teacher? My brother was a businessman last year, my brother was not a businessman last year. Was my brother a businessman last year, was my brother not a businessman last year? Afrin has been an artist for 2 years. Afrin has not been an artist for 2 years. Has Afrin been an artist for 2 years? Has Afrin not been an artist for 2 years? This is clock. This is not clock. Is this clock? Is this not clock? Alia was a student last year. Alia was not a student last year. Was Alia a student last year? Was Alia not a student last year? She has been a doctor for 2 years. She has not been a doctor for 2 years. Has she been a doctor for 2 years? Has she not been a doctor for 2 years? This is the chair. This is not chair. Is this chair? Is this not chair? She was a tall girl last year. She was not a tall girl last year. Was she a tall girl last year? Was she not a tall girl last year? Ronak has been a teacher for 2 years. Ronak has not been a teacher for 2 years. Has Ronak been a teacher for 2 years? Has Ronak not been a teacher for 2 years? This is bottle. This is not bottle. Is this bottle? Is this not bottle? There was a tree last year. There was not a tree last year. Was there a tree last year? Was there not a tree last year?
ओके फिनिश। मेरी मम्मी घर पर नहीं है। लुक, मेरी मम्मी घर पर नहीं है, तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
My mother is not at home. What are you doing here?
कल मैं घर पर थी, तुम मेरे घर क्यों नहीं आए?
Yesterday I was at home. Why you didn't come?
मेरी मम्मी ने खाना बना लिया है, पर मेरा भाई घर पर नहीं है।
My mother cooked food. My mother has cooked food, but my brother doesn't eat.
मेरी मम्मी ने खाना बना लिया है, पर मेरा भाई घर पर नहीं है।
घर पर नहीं। My mother has cooked food, but my brother is not at home.
यह मेरा क्लास है, मैं यहाँ इंग्लिश सीखती हूँ।
This is my class. Here I am speaking English. Here I am.
यह मेरा क्लास है, मैं यहाँ इंग्लिश सीखती हूँ। क्या होगा?
Here I learn English.
This is my class. Here I
learn English.
वे लोग मेरे दोस्त हैं, पर स्कूल नहीं जाते हैं।
They are my friends, but they don't go to school.
Okay, man. Next.
Hello everyone, I am Prasanna and today I am going to give the test.
Your time starts now.
She mopped the floor, she doesn't mop the floor, does she mop the floor, doesn't she mop the floor? He is cooking food, he isn't cooking food, is he cooking food, isn't he cooking food? They have been playing since morning, they haven't been playing since morning, have they been playing since morning, haven't they been playing since morning? I have done my work, I haven't done my work, have I done my work, haven't I done my work? She swiped the floor, she doesn't swipe the floor, does she swipe the floor, doesn't she?
Sweep the floor, swipe the floor.
Sweep the floor. She sweep the floor, she doesn't sweep the floor, does she sweep the floor, doesn't she sweep the floor? He is playing card, he isn't playing card, is he playing card, isn't he playing card? My father has been going office since morning, my father hasn't been going office since morning, has my father been going office since morning, hasn't my father been going office since morning? My mother
Going
is
to office.
going to office. My mother is cooking food. My mother has cooked food. My mother hasn't cooked food. Has my mother cooked food? Hasn't my mother cooked food? I read book. I do not read book. Do I read book? Do I not read book? She has drunk water. She hasn't drunk water. Has she drunk water? Hasn't she drunk water? She is blowing water. She isn't blowing water. Is she blowing water? Isn't she blowing water? I am going to market. I have gone to market. I haven't gone to market. Have I gone to market? Haven't I gone to market? Baker makes door to door. Baker doesn't make door to door. Does baker make door to door? Does baker not make door to door? Thief is climbing on the terrace. Thief isn't climbing on the terrace. Is it climbing on the terrace? Isn't thief climbing on the terrace? Baker goes to religious place. Baker doesn't go to religious place. Does baker go to religious place? Doesn't baker go to religious place? Thief has made plan. Thief hasn't made plan. Has thief made plan? Hasn't thief made plan? Doctor is operating the patient. Doctor isn't operating the patient. Is doctor operating the patient? Isn't doctor operating the patient? She drinks water. She doesn't drink water. Does she drink water? Doesn't she drink water? My brother has snatched my phone. My brother hasn't snatched my phone. Has my brother snatched my phone? Hasn't my brother snatched my phone? My grandfather is calling me. My grandfather isn't calling me. Is my grandfather calling me? Isn't my grandfather calling me? I have gone to Mumbai last week. Sorry, I have gone to Mumbai. I haven't gone to Mumbai. Have I gone to Mumbai? Haven't I gone to Mumbai? She has plucked flower. She hasn't plucked flower. Has she plucked flower? Hasn't she plucked flower?
Okay, finish. मेरे पापा के पास बाइक नहीं है, इसलिए वो ऑफिस साइकिल से जाते हैं।
My father doesn't have bike, that's why he goes to office inside
बाईसाइकिल।
bicycle.
वह घर मेरा है, मुझे बेचना है।
That is my house, I have to sell it.
तुम कितने दिनों से इंग्लिश सीख रहे हो, इंग्लिश क्यों नहीं बोल पाते?
How many days have you been?
हाउ लॉन्ग?
How long have you been learning English?
तुम इंग्लिश क्यों नहीं बोल पाते?
Why do you not speak English?
वाई आर यू नॉट एबल टू स्पीक?
Why are you not able to speak English?
यह मेरा क्लास है, मैं यहाँ 2 सालों से इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ।
That is my class. I have been learning English here for 2 years.
यह मेरा क्लास है।
This is my class.
वे लोग मेरे दोस्त हैं, पर वो स्कूल नहीं जाते हैं।
They are my friends, but they don't go to school.
तुम्हारे क्लास में कितने बच्चे हैं, उनमें से कितने इंग्लिश बोलते हैं?
How many children are there in your class? How many speaks all of them? How many speaks English?
How many of them? How many of them
speaks English?
speak English?
Speak English.
How many of them? Plural. Them plural होगी ना? Speak English.
Speak English.
मैं 2 महीनों से इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ, पर इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाती।
I have been learning English for 2 months, but I am not able to speak English.
Oh, wonderful. Next. Wrong.
Hello everyone, my name is Saiba and now I'm going to give the test.
Your time starts now.
I go to school, I do not go to school. Do I go to school? Do I not go to school? I have she is sleeping, she is not sleeping, is she sleeping, is she not sleeping? I have been learning English for 1 year. I have not been learning English for 1 year. Have I been learning English for 1 year? Have I not been learning English for 1 year? She has been mopping the floor this morning. She has not been mopping the floor this morning. Has she been mopping the floor this morning? Has she not been sweeping the floor this morning? I have
Mopping.
mopping the floor this morning. I have completed my work. I have not completed my work. Have I completed my work? Have I not completed my work? My mother recites the Quran. My mother does not recite the Quran. Does my mother recite the Quran? Does my mother not recite the Quran? She has eaten food. She has not eaten food. Has she eaten food? Has she not eaten food? My father has been going to office this morning. My father has not been going to office this morning. Has my father been going to office this morning? Has my father not been going to office since morning? My brother is sleeping. My brother is sleeping. My brother is not sleeping. Is my brother sleeping? Is my brother not sleeping? My father go to office. My father goes to office. My father does not go to office. Does my father go to office? Does my father not go to office? If I is rolling the floor, if I is not rolling the floor, is it for rolling the floor? Is it for not rolling the floor? We have eaten food. We have not eaten food. Have we eaten food? Have we not eaten food? My brother has gone to Mumbai. My brother has gone to Mumbai for 2 days. My brother has gone to Mumbai since morning.
My brother has gone to Mumbai. अगर टाइम लगाएंगे तो वो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस हो जाता है, टाइम नहीं ऐड होता।
My brother has gone to Mumbai. My brother has not gone to Mumbai. Has my brother gone to Mumbai? Has my brother not gone to Mumbai? She has been mopping the floor since morning. She has not been mopping the floor since morning. Has she been mopping the floor since morning? Has she not been mopping the floor since morning? My mother washes the clothes. My mother does not wash the clothes. Does my mother wash the clothes? Does my mother not wash the clothes? She has been studying for since morning. She has not been studying for since morning. She has been studying since morning. She has not been studying since morning. Has she been studying since morning? Has she not been studying since morning?
Okay, finish. कल मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे, इसलिए मैं मार्केट नहीं गई।
Yesterday I didn't have money. That's why I will not go to market.
I will not go to market.
नहीं गई थी. Yes, that's why I didn't go to market.
मेरी मम्मी घर पर नहीं है, इसलिए मुझे खाना बनाना है।
My mother is not at home. That's why I have to cook food.
यह मेरा क्लास है, मैं यहाँ इंग्लिश सीखती हूँ।
This is my class. This is my class. Here I am learning English.
Here I am learning English.
Learning English. I learn English. Sorry.
वे लोग मेरे दोस्त हैं जो कल तुम्हारे घर आए थे।
They are my friend that comes in my house.
तुम्हारे घर आए थे।
That comes in your house.
They were my friends who came to your house yesterday. तुम्हारे क्लास में कितने बच्चे हैं?
How many students are there in your class?
मेरी मम्मी बीमार है, मुझे हॉस्पिटल उन्हें ले जाना है।
My mother has been sick. I have to.
मेरी मम्मी बीमार है, उन्हें मुझे हॉस्पिटल ले जाना है.
I have to take her to hospital.
My mother is sick. I have to take her to hospital. Okay. Next. So in front of camera, how many of you have fear? All of you? So be confident in front of camera. Don't be nervous. Yeah, go ahead.
Hello everyone, this is Afin here. Now I'm going to give the test. I cook food. I do not cook food. Do I cook food? Do I not cook food? He is eating food. He is not eating food. Is he eating food? Is he not eating food? She has drunk milk. She has not drunk milk. Has she drunk milk? Has she not drunk milk? I have been learning this for 2 hours. I have not been learning this for 2 hours. Have I been learning English for 2 hours? Have I not been learning English for 2 hours? She sweeps the floor. She does not sweep the floor. Does she sweep the floor? Does she not sweep the floor? He is mopping the floor. He is not mopping the floor. Is he mopping the floor? Is he not mopping the floor? She has cleaned the house. He has not cleaned the house. Has she cleaned the house? Has she not cleaned the house? I have been decorating my home for 2 hours. I have not been decorating my home for 2 hours. Have I been decorating my home for 2 hours? Have I not been decorating my home for 2 hours? She goes to school. She does not go to school. Does she go to school? Does she not go to school? He is studying. He is not studying. Is he studying? Is he not studying? She has written a letter for 2 hours. She has written a letter. She has not written a letter. Has she written a letter? Has she not written a letter? He has been teaching since morning. He has not been teaching since morning. Has he been teaching since morning? Has he not been teaching since morning? She plays the football. She does not play the football. Does she play the football? Does she not play the football? He is reading a book. He is not reading a book. Is he reading a book? Is he not reading a book? She has annoyed me. She has not annoyed me. Has she annoyed me? Has she not annoyed me? I have been washing clothes for 2 hours. I have not been washing clothes for 2 hours. Have I been washing clothes for 2 hours? Have I not been washing clothes for 2 hours? She speaks English. She does not speak English. Does she speak English? Does she not speak English? He is treating her. He is not treating her. Is he treating her? Is he not treating her? She has injected her. She has not injected her. Has she injected her? Has she not injected her? I have been advising her for 2 hours. I have not been advising her for 2 hours. Have I been advising her for 2 hours? Have I not been advising her for 2 hours? She avoids the junk food. She does not avoid the junk food. Does she avoid the junk food? Does she not avoid the junk food? He is beating her. He is not beating her. Is he beating her? Is he not beating her? She has scolded her. She has not scolded her. Has she scolded her? Has she not scolded her? I have been speaking English for 2 hours. I have not been speaking English for 2 hours. Have I been speaking English for 2 hours? Have I not been speaking English for 2 hours? She runs in the field. She does not run in the field. Does she run in the field? Does she not run in the field?
Okay, finish. मैं उदास हूँ, तुम मुझे हंसाओ मत.
I'm upset. Don't try to laugh.
Don't make me laugh.
Don't make me laugh.
तुम्हारी मम्मी कहाँ है, मुझे उनसे बात करना.
Where is your mother? I have to talk to her.
कल मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे. कल मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे, तुम मुझसे क्यों मांग रहे थे?
Yesterday I didn't have money. Why were you asking for?
मेरी मम्मी ने खाना बना लिया है, पर कोई खा नहीं रहा.
My mother has cooked food, but no one is eating.
यह मेरा क्लास है, मैं यहाँ 1 साल से इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ.
This is my class. I have been learning here. I have been learning English here for a year.
तुम कहाँ जाते हो? तुम्हारे घर में कौन इंग्लिश बोलता है?
Where do you go? Who speaks English in your home?
मेरे क्लास में 10 बच्चे हैं, उनमें से 2 इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाते हैं.
There are 10 students in my class. 2 of them are not speaking. 2 are not them speak English.
2 of them
2 of them
don't speak
don't
English.
speak English.
Okay. Next.
Hello everyone, this is Alia here. Now I'm going to give the test.
Your time starts now.
I go to school, I do not go to school. Do I go to school? Do I not go to school? My mother is learning English. My mother is not learning English. Is my mother learning English? Is my mother not learning English? I have eaten food. I have not eaten food. Have I eaten food? Have I not eaten food? She has been learning English for 4 months. She has not been learning English for 4 months. Has she been learning English for 4 months? Has she not been learning English for 4 months? I cook food. I do not cook food. Do I cook food? Do I not cook food? She is learning English. She is not learning English. Is she learning English? Is she not learning English? My brother has gone to market. My brother has not gone to market. Has my brother gone to market? Has my brother not gone to market? I have been cleaning home since yesterday. I have not been cleaning home since yesterday. Have I been cleaning home since yesterday? Have I not been cleaning home since yesterday? I learn English. I do not learn English. Do I learn English? Do I not learn English? He is begging. He is not begging. Is he begging? Is he not begging? I have eaten food. I have not eaten food. Have I eaten food? Have I not eaten food? My mother has been sweeping the floor since morning. My mother has not been sweeping the floor since morning. Has my mother been sweeping the floor since morning? Has my mother not been sweeping the floor since morning? He goes to market. He does not go to market. Does he go to market? Does he not go to market? She is earning money. She is not earning money. Is she earning money? Is she not earning money? He has treated her. He has not treated her. Has he treated her? Has he not treated her? I have been sweeping the floor since yesterday. I have not been sweeping the floor since yesterday. Have I been sweeping the floor since yesterday? Have I not been sweeping the floor since yesterday? He goes to market. He does not go to market. Does he go to market? Does he not go to market? My father is calling me. My father is not calling me. Is my father calling me? Is my father not calling me? I have gone to school yesterday. I have not gone to school. I have gone to school. I have not gone to school. Have I gone to school? Have I not gone to school? My sister has been reading books since morning. My sister has not been reading books since morning. Has my sister been reading books since morning? Has my sister not been reading books since morning? She cries. She does not cry. Does she cry? Does she not cry? I am calling you. I'm not calling you. Am I calling you? Am I not calling you? My father has gone to office. My father has not gone to office. Has my father gone to office? Has my father not gone to office?
फिनिश्ड। कल मैं तुम्हारे घर आया था, तुम रो क्यों रहे थे?
Yesterday I came at your home. Why were you crying?
वे लोग मेरे दोस्त हैं जो इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं।
They are my friend who is speaking English.
Who are speaking?
Who are speaking English?
तुम कहाँ रहते हो? तुम्हारे घर पर कौन कौन है?
Where do you live? Where do you live? Who is at your home?
Who all?
Who all at your home?
Who all are at your home?
Who all are at your home?
मैं 2 सालों से इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ, पर मैं इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाती हूँ।
I have been learning English for 2 years, but I am not able to speak.
कल तुम क्लास क्यों नहीं आए थे? हम लोग तुम्हें मिस कर रहे थे।
Why didn't you come to class yesterday? We all were missing you.
यह मेरा क्लास है, मेरे टीचर अच्छा इंग्लिश पढ़ाते हैं।
This is my class. My teacher teaches English very well.
तुम्हारे घर पे कितने लोग हैं? उनमें कौन इंग्लिश बोलता है?
How many people are there at your home who speaks English? All of them?
Among them.
Among them.
मैं 2 सालों से इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे एब्रोड जाना है।
I have been learning English for 2 years because I have to go to abroad.
Okay. Next.
Hello everyone, this is Donna here and today I'm here to give the test.
Your time starts now.
My sister will be mopping the floor tomorrow. My sister will not be mopping the floor tomorrow. Will my sister be mopping the floor tomorrow? Will my sister not be mopping the floor tomorrow? He will go to school after 2 days. He will not go to school after 2 days. Will he go to school after 2 days? Will he not go to school after 2 days? They will be insisting me to cook food tomorrow. They will not be insisting me to cook food tomorrow. Will they be insisting me to cook food tomorrow? Will they not be insisting me to cook food tomorrow? My sister will move the floor after 9 days. My sister will not move the floor after 9 days. Will my sister move the floor after 9 days? Will my sister not move the floor after 9 days? My mother taught me English. My mother didn't teach me English. Did my mother teach me English? Did my mother not teach me English?
At the time. Okay, go ahead.
My sister was running yesterday. My sister was not running yesterday. Was my sister running yesterday? Was my sister not running yesterday? They drove the car last year. They didn't drive the car last year. Did they drive the car last year? Did they not drive the car last year? I will go to school after 3 days. I will not go to school after 3 days. Will I go to school after
3 days. Will I not go to school after 3 days? She was teasing me yesterday. She was not teasing me yesterday. Was she teasing me yesterday? Was she not teasing me yesterday? I will be annoying her tomorrow. I will not be annoying her tomorrow. Will I be annoying her tomorrow? Will I not be annoying her tomorrow? She will move the floor after 3 days. She will not move the floor after 3 days. Will she move the floor after 3 days? Will she not move the floor after 3 days? My sister will be cleaning her home after 9 days. My sister will not be cleaning her home after 9 days. Will my sister be cleaning her home after 9 days? Will my sister not be cleaning her home after 9 days? They moved the floor. They moved the floor yesterday. They didn't move the floor yesterday. Did they move the floor yesterday? Did they not move the floor yesterday? My mother was sweeping the floor last year. My mother was not sweeping the floor last year. Was my mother sweeping the floor last year? Was my mother not sweeping the floor last year?
ओके फिनिश। यह घर मेरे अंकल का है, मैं इसे खरीदना चाहती हूँ।
This is my uncle's home. I want to purchase it.
वे लोग कल घर पर नहीं थे, तुम उनके घर क्यों गए थे?
They were not at home yesterday. Why did you go there?
मेरे पापा इंग्लिश पढ़ाते हैं पर मैं इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाते।
My father teaches English, but I don't speak English. But I'm not able to speak English.
आज मैं बीमार हूँ इसलिए मैं स्कूल नहीं जाऊंगी।
Today I'm sick. That's why I will not go to school today.
कल मैं स्कूल नहीं गई थी क्योंकि कल मुझे मार्केट जाना था।
Yesterday I didn't go to school because I had to go to market.
यह मेरा क्लास है, मैं यहाँ इंग्लिश सीखती हूँ।
This is my class. I learned English here.
तुम्हारे घर पे कितने लोग हैं? तुम्हारी बहन क्या करती है?
How many members are there in your house? What does your sister do?
ओके नेक्स्ट।
Hello everyone, my name is Abida Shan and today I am going to say something and today I am going to give the test. I have a bottle, I do not have a bottle. Do I have a bottle? Do I not have a bottle? She had a car last year, she did not have a car last year. Did she have a car last year? Did she not have a car last year? We have the photos.
We have a photo. We have a photo.
Oh, sorry. We have a photo. We do not have a photo. We do have a photo. Do we have a photo? Do we not have a photo? My father had a bike last year. My father did not have a bike last year. Did my father have a bike last year? Did my father not have a bike last year? My brother has a car. My brother does not have a car. Does my brother have a car? Does my brother not have a car? They had a bottle. They had a bottle last year. They did not have a bottle last year. Did they have a bottle last year? Did they not have a bottle last year? I have a book. I do not have a book. Do I have a book? Do I not have a book? My mother had a jewelry last year. My mother did not have a jewelry last year. Did my mother jewelry last year? Did my mother
have jewelry last year?
Did my mother have jewelry last year? Did my mother not have jewelry last year? My sister had a mobile last year. My sister did not have a mobile last year. Did my sister have a mobile last year? Did my sister not have a mobile last year? We have a copies. We do not have a copies. Do we have a copy? Do we not have a copy? They had a car last year. They did not have a car last year. Did they have a car last year? Did they not have a car last year? I have a mic. I do not have a mic. Do I have a mic? Do I not have a mic? My father had a car last year. My father did not have a car last year. Did my father have a car last year? Did my father not have a car last year? She had a notebook last year. She did not have a notebook last year. Did she have a notebook last year? Did she not have a notebook last year? He has a book last year. He has a book. He has a book. He does not have a book. Does he have a book? Does he not have a book?
Okay, finish. मेरे पापा के पास पैसे नहीं हैं।
My father have मेरे पापा के पास
पैसे नहीं हैं।
My father does not have money.
मेरी मम्मी घर पर नहीं है।
My mother is not at home.
वे लोग मेरे दोस्त हैं।
They are my friends.
क्या यह तुम्हारा क्लास है?
Is this your class?
कल मेरे पास बुक नहीं थी।
I did not have book yesterday.
क्या तुम एक ईमानदार लड़की हो?
Are you an honest girl?
कल मेरे पापा घर पर नहीं थे।
My father was not at home yesterday.
ओके वंडर। So we are live. We are live. So what do you think about my taste, about my teaching? How many of you like or dislike the way I teach English? Because there are so many people who have disclaimer that I do not teach proper English. What do you think? They are right or wrong? They are wrong? So since you all are my students, what do you think about my teaching?
It's amazing. It's amazing. It's different from other.
Uniqueness.
You have
Speak little louder.
you have to say.
What do you think?
Your teaching is different from others because you don't run your class for earn money.
I don't run my class just for earning money.
Yes.
What is my prime purpose? What I want to do?
You want to change your society.
I want to change my society. Because when I started learning English, I had to struggle a lot. People were not valuing me. People didn't respect me. People used to criticize me a lot. People used to insult me a lot. That's what I want to change in my society. I just want to show that anybody can speak in English language. Whoever wants to speak. Got it? So as I used to be a welder, you all know about my past?
Yes.
I used to be a welder. I used to do welding work. But right now, I am a trainer. How did I change my personality?
Consistency. Hard work, consistency.
Hard work, consistency. Okay. But most important thing is that honesty.
Yes.
ईमानदारी. Whatever you do in your life, do it with honesty. अगर आपको कुछ भी करना है अपने लाइफ में, वो आप ईमानदारी से कीजिए. ठीक है? वो आप ईमानदारी से कीजिए, मेहनत कीजिए. हार्ड वर्क ऑलवेज पेज ऑफ. हार्ड वर्क always pays off. So I want to end my life with affirmation. Or whoever is watching this live, I would like to request all of you share this video as much as possible and like my video. So let's start affirmation. All of you remember about affirmation?
Yes, sir.
Ready? Day by day,
Day by day.
every way,
Every way.
I am getting better
I'm getting better
and better.
and better.
I am a winner.
I am a winner.
I am born to win.
I'm born to win.
Nothing can defeat me
Nothing can defeat me
unless I want.
unless I want.
Day by day,
Day by day.
every way,
Every way.
I am getting better
I'm getting better
and better.
and better.
I am a winner.
I am a winner.
I am born to win.
I'm born to win.
Nothing can defeat me
Nothing can defeat me
unless I want.
unless I want.
Day by day,
Day by day.
every way,
Every way.
I am getting better
I'm getting better
and better.
and better.
I am a winner.
I am a winner.
I am born to win.
I'm born to win.
Nothing can defeat me
Nothing can defeat me
unless I want.
unless I want.
So always keep learning, keep growing and keep smiling. I am going to end this live session. Okay.